how to fix duplicate contacts in WhatsApp. So if you want to fix duplicate contacts in WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to just simply go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then you may have an option of refresh. You need to just simply go with refresh. And after refreshing, your problem might be fixed. If that still does fix your problem, then the second step is to turn off contact sync for secondary account. If you're using multiple Google accounts or iCloud accounts, you need to go with your settings, scroll down, go with apps, go with manage apps. Under manage apps, you need to search for WhatsApp. After that, tap on WhatsApp, and now here you need to scroll down. And if you've turned on the sync in many devices, like for example, if you're using WhatsApp web or if you're using any other device as a companion device, you need to turn off the sync from all of the other devices and only make sure that the sync is open in one device, the primary device. After that, reopen your WhatsApp and your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and search for WhatsApp. And if you have any updates on your WhatsApp, just simply go and update it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.